Today we are going to complete exercises of poem number 10th, The Little Land. Comprehension A. Answer the questions briefly. First question. Where does the poet imagine going when he shuts his eyes? Answer. The poet imagines going to the fairyland. Then second question. Mention any two things the poet dreams of doing. Answer. The poet dreams of wandering to and fro in the forest and boarding the tiny boat. टाइनी बोट किसे कहा है यहाँ पर? लेफ्लेट को. बोर्डिंग द टाइनी बोट टू फ्लोट. देन थर्ड. What will the poet do with the leaflet? Answer. He will board the tiny boat, the leaflet, round the rainbow sea to float. Next question. Who do you think are the creatures in armor green? Answer. The creatures in armor green are caterpillars. Fifth question. What does the poet see when he opens his eyes? Does he like what he sees? Answer. When he opens his eyes, the poet sees all plain things around him, such as high bare walls, the bare floor, big knob on drawers, and the door, and the big people perched on chairs. No, he does not like seeing them. Next question. What do you think the poet means by the following? A. Sailing through the skies. इसका क्या मीनिंग है? The poet means traveling through the sky. Then B. Grassy coasts. The poet means land covered with grass near the water body. Then B. Read these lines from the poem and answer the questions. First, when at home alone I sit and I'm very tired of it. I have just to shut my eyes to go sailing through the skies. Question A. What does the poet do when he is alone? Answer. He shuts his eyes and dreams of traveling through the sky to reach an imaginary land, that is fairyland. B. What do you think he is tired of? Answer. He is tired of sitting alone at home. C. What does the poet imagine when he shuts his eyes? Answer. He imagines he has reached a land of play, a fairyland, where everything around him seems magical and beautiful. Then second, see the greater swallows pass in the sky and the round sun rolling by, heeding no such things as I. Question A. What will the poet see in the land of play? The poet sees many things in the land of play, like the swallows that pass in the sky and the sun rolling by. B. Why do you think the sun does not notice the poet? Answer. The sun does not notice the poet since in the fairyland everything, including the poet, is small. Then third, great big people perched on chairs, stitching tucks and mending tears, each a hill that I could climb, and talking nonsense all the time. Question A. Who are the great big people? Answer. The great big people are people of the real world. B. What are these people doing? Answer. They are going about their daily chores like stitching tucks and mending tears. C. The poet is the poet happy to see them? Answer. No, the poet is not happy to see them. Then D. Why do you think he says big people talk nonsense? Answer. The poet wishes for a life of adventure where there is fun, play, excitement, and freedom. He probably finds the talks of the big people boring, mundane, and meaningless. That is why he says big people talk nonsense.